What's up guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're diving into this sequential LED third brake light with a smoked lens designed for 2011 to 2016 F-250 Super Duties. If you're looking for a sleek, modern lighting upgrade that helps complete the blacked out look on the back of your truck, then this smoked third brake light is definitely worth checking out. Now this LED third brake light combines a stylish design and functional enhancements for your Super Duty. Its smoked lens gives a bold, stealthy appearance that complements any truck build. Now, behind the smoked lens, bright LEDs ensure superior visibility when braking and signaling. This integrated unit also includes brake and cargo lights, offering utility and improved safety in a single package. First, it displays the bright, sequential light pattern when you first hit the brakes, and then it seamlessly transitions into a solid, bright LED brake light. It also has a utility light function, like I mentioned, to help you see in the truck bed if you're trying to get some work done after dark. Now, this thing is definitely built for durability. This third brake light features ABS housing with an impact-resistant smoked polycarbonate lens. The premium-grade sealed construction resists dust, water, and debris, keeping it reliable over time. As far as pricing goes on this, it's going to come in that low $100 range. So for an LED upgrade that adds style and function, I think this is sitting at a pretty solid price point. Now the install on this light is simple, and it earns only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. And you should be able to get the job done in less than an hour. It's a direct plug and play design, so no cutting or splicing is required, making it a very straightforward job. Now let's see exactly how this goes on with an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
All right, what's going on guys? Today we're going to be installing a sequential third tail light for a 2011 through 2016 F-250. That's a good way just to update or modernize the look of your F-250. Here's a little side-by-side of what they're going to look like. Tools for today, just a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, super simple. It's just going to be 2 screws and then a electrical connector. All right, so we got those out. This light just pops right out. Then here's your connector. Pull that tang back, it pops off. There's a little look of the difference. It's just an easy plug and play right here. Plug that in. We're gonna hide the wiring harness into the tail. I'll pop it right into place. There we go. Only thing you want to do when you're installing these screws is you want to make sure they're tight so that seal's sealed, that gap is sealed, but you don't want to go too tight and crack this plastic. So right when you get that sharp rise in torque, about right there, that's it. That's a good seal right there. And that's it. I mean, super simple 5-minute project for you. Good way to make that truck look a little newer, a little nicer, and a little flashier. And here's what it'll look like when you unlock it.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the sequential LED third brake light and a smoked lens for the 2011 to 2016 F-250 Super Duties. And for all things F-250, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.